2023 is coming to an end, meaning it's time to make that famous end-of-year Instagram reel highlighting your last year. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make your highlight reel for 2023. Hi, I'm Ida, a corpus storyteller and online educator based in Vancouver, Canada. Are you an entrepreneur ready to take your business to the next level, but when it comes to Reels, you don't know how you can use them to grow your business? Well, I've created the Reels Blueprint, which is going to guide you through the gear and the strategy behind using Reels to grow your business. Download my free Reels Blueprint now. 2023 is coming to an end and you want to create a highlight reel sharing what you've done this year. So there's a couple ways you can approach this. The quickest and easiest way to do this is to find a template and just add some clips and then post it with the caption. So to do that, you're going to go to the plus sign in your profile to make a reel. And then up here on the top, you're going to see templates. So you can go through and you can find some trending templates that you can use. And then you just click on the one you like. And all you do is you add your media. So you go through your photos and add your clips from there. Let me scroll back and find some clips. There's a bunch of clips of me working. So you're going to be able to keep adding clips until it goes dark. So I'm just going to keep adding photos. There we go. Once it goes dark, then that's the last one. You can unclip that and see if you want a different one to be the end. And then just press next. And say, for example, like there's parts of the clip where it's not the part that you want to use. Just click on that part and then just move it to maybe a different part of the video that would make more sense with it. Or you can click on it and you can replace media with a different clip. Oh, that one, I'm not doing anything in. Let's find. Done. There we go. And then once you're done, you just press next. You can actually go in and now you can see all the clips in here like this. And now what you can do is you can actually even adjust it. So you can add any text that you want on top of this. You can make some of the clips longer by clicking on the clip and shortening the clip. There we go. And then let's see. So you can like zoom in on some of these clips. Say this one, I want it to be a little zoomed in. So I'm just going to press crop. It's going to allow me to zoom in on that clip. There we go. And I can adjust the section, so the part where it's going to show. And then I can press this play button to preview it. So just move it to before that. Play. Perfect. And then to add text, just press add text and just start typing what you want to say. So now just spread it to the whole video. And you're done. You could even add the text talking. So you could just click on that and go text to speech. And it's got some fun voices. Let's see.
Thank you for an amazing 2023.
Perfect. So let's watch that. Wait, go back to the beginning.
Thank you for an amazing 2023.
There we go. And you have your end of year reel created, customized in seconds. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button, or better yet, subscribe. If you want to dive deeper, I have an amazing freebie that's going to transform your business. So download that now. And remember, messy action is always better than no action. Till next time, peace.